Hi, how are you? We are going to draw a nice fish. The name of the fish is the Gotyla or Garra Gotyla, its scientific name. You can see all the names and details in the thumbnails. Now I'm going to put the outlines in a bold color. Okay. All right. And this is going to be at the last end of the tail. Okay. And the whole body, you can see just the outline is almost done, and you can see the dorsal fin on the top. And the abdominal fin, you can see there are 3 numbers, so 1 2, and to the rectal portion you can see the number 3. All right, let's draw the eye. So you can see the small darker portion in the eye. All right, and this is the breathing parts. Okay, so usually this is a little bit colorful. Let's put the golden color for the fin here, which is near at the head. Okay. Okay. And for the middle one, let's divide it partially for the golden part, and you can see the darker part. So all the parallel lines defines the bone structure, and for the other two we're going to put another dark color. So let's see, maybe it's a dark red color. So all the parallel lines are visible for the dorsal fin portion, and also you can see the rectum portion. Also you can see the parallel lines, and for the tail okay. All right, and all right, let's put the darker portion. And putting the darker shades around the eye. Let's put the color, and also let's make a darker portion on the dorsal side on the top, and little bit black shade in the middle. And here you can see, okay, Now we are going to put the graphical presentations of the scales which is present in the whole body of the fish from the top to the bottom, that means from the head to the tail, the whole fish. Okay. All right, and the drawing is almost finished. Let's make the tail little bit darker. Okay. All right. Now you can see the drawing is finished. I hope you like the video, and this is the closest resemblance of the actual outlines and actual characteristics or the appearance of the fish. And I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.